This is Darius with D&K Audio and Tech Solutions. I see that there was a question out there in the users group for Evmux concerning the poll feature within Evmux. I took a quick look at it, and here's a couple of things that I found from it. Over here in Evmux, I'm currently I have a poll demo scene set up, and it's nothing in there right now. So I'm going to go in and add a new layer. And of course, to get the poll, we're going to come down to apps and widgets. Then in the Evmux app market, we're going to come down to polls. And then we're going to add that to the scene. So then the actual poll setting comes up. And of course, you can move it around, resize it as you need be. But a couple of things to keep in mind about this setting is that you have, I think, about 3 different ways that your viewers can interact with the poll. The first would be by using a link. So there is a link that you can click on, and it's going to come up and give you a web page where your users can select whichever options you have that's appropriate for the vote that they want to make. Okay, so that is one way of doing it. The other way is to add a QR code to your stage. So if you click on that, it's going to populate a QR code, and it's just like any other QR code that you can create in Evmux. You can move it, you can resize it. It does automatically come up with the Evmux logo in the QR code, but you can, I believe, go in and change that image. So if you want to change it to something else, you can do that. And if the user scans this QR code on their mobile device, it's actually going to take them to a screen, and they will have the same options to vote on your poll. The other option that you have, again, going back to the settings for the poll, you can copy that link and then add it to your chat, so that once you want them to be able to interact with the poll, you can add that link and it will come up so that they can see it. I did notice when I was testing this that the link that it creates is a pretty long link. If you would like, you could actually take this link and use it in a URL shortener like bit.ly to give you a shorter link, and then add that to your chat, and then your viewers would be able to interact with your poll. Now, as they interact with the poll and make votes, that is going to automatically show up. The results will be added to your screen so that it can be seen in real time. So here you won't be able to see me right now, but off screen, I am going to this link, and I'm just going to vote for one of the options. So I voted for option A, and it may be a little bit hard to see, but option A did update and show that there was one vote cast for that particular option. Now, the other way that they can interact is using the hashtag. So for each option you have down here, there would be associated hashtags. So in this case, for option A, it has hashtag opt-A. And if your viewers type in the comments hashtag opt-A, it will register a vote for that option. So let's say, for example, we wanted to set this up, and instead of option A, we want to say enter the days of the week. So we're just going to say Monday. And then I'm going to make the hashtag for that one hashtag MON. And then I'm going to say Tuesday, hashtag Tuesday, TUES. So we have that in there. And so for my poll, I can give it a title that shows whatever I want. The title is going to be days, and that it updates on the poll setting over on the screen. So again, now if I choose this option to show the poll, My first two options, I changed those. I have Monday and Tuesday. So if I click on Tuesday, it tells me that I've voted for Tuesday. And over here, the actual poll shows that Tuesday was selected. It does show an entry for that. Just like anything else in here, you do have the options to modify the appearance of it. You can change the font size, the font weight. You can have it either show a legend or not show a legend. And of course, you can make changes to your background colors and everything. So one thing, like I said with this, as you update the information on your poll, it is going to feed back into your screen so that you can see it. And you do also have the option in here to activate or delete the poll. So if you want to pause people being able to enter votes, you can click that, and then it won't allow votes to be entered at that point. So just a quick video on how to run the poll. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and we'll take a look at it. Thanks.